In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp templates to 10x productivity. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find, preview, and apply the perfect template so you can stop reinventing the wheel and start moving faster with consistent, repeatable workflows. First, open ClickUp and head into your workspace. You can use the web app or desktop app, whatever you normally use. Make sure you're in the workspace where you actually want the template to live so you don't have to move things around later. Next, open the space where you want to apply the template and go to its settings. You'll typically find space settings in the left sidebar when you hover over the space name or in the space dropdown at the top. Choose the space that matches the type of work you're templating: marketing, client projects, product operations. So all the views, statuses, and fields land in the right place. If you collaborate with a team, confirm you have permission to change space level settings. Inside space settings, look for the option to browse templates. This takes you to ClickUp's Template Center, which includes official templates and community-made options. It's the fastest way to roll out proven structures for lists, docs, dashboards, and more without starting from scratch. Use the search bar to find what you need and select your template. Try keywords like sprint, content calendar, client onboarding, or OKRs. Open a template preview and review the details carefully: the included statuses, custom fields, views, automations, and example tasks. A quick scan here can save cleanup time later. Choose the template that matches your team's terminology and workflow as closely as possible. When you're confident, click Use Template. This starts the import process and prepares the configuration for your space. If there are optional items, like example tasks or views, the preview will show you what's included so you can anticipate what you'll get. To finalize, click Use Template again to confirm. This applies the template to your selected space. Depending on the size of the template, it may take a moment to finish. Once it's done, you'll see the new structure in place: statuses aligned, views organized, and fields ready to go. At this point, do a quick pass to rename anything to match your conventions, archive any sample content you don't need, and share the space with the right teammates so everyone is aligned. That's it. You've just set up a repeatable system in minutes. Keep refining your chosen template as you work, and the next time you need to scale the same process, you'll be ready to roll with one click.